Hey everybody, welcome back to Buckeye Backyard Barbecue. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to talk about the ChefsTemp Protemp S1, which is right here on my Z Grill. And we're also going to talk about the ChefsTemp Protemp Plus meat probe thermometer. Stick around, it's going to be informative. Okay guys, as you can see, I've actually already installed the ChefsTemp Protemp S1 onto my pellet smoker. This thing will turn any dumb grill into a smart grill. And it's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and show you how easy it actually is to install and put on, or take off and put on. There's just a little wing nut back here. Take that off. Pulls right out. Super simple, super easy to install. Put it right back in the hole where your probe thermometers usually go. Take the wing nut. And you're on. Super easy. When you're ready to cook, turn on your grill, and we'll bring it up to temp. Set it to just 180. And I'll bring you back when we're up to temp, guys. All right, guys. So while the grill is heating up, I just wanted to show you how some of this works here. So the Protemp S1 is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So you get the app for it and you just open it right up there and let it wake up. And there you go. You can see it's already up to 111 degrees. 120. You can, it does come with a smart fan setting, but since it's a pellet grill, I don't need that. It comes with a fan inside of it already. But you can hook this up to any dumb grill, so like a Weber kettle or a Kamado style grill. I even hooked it up to my gas grill and just took out the temperature probe out of my gas grill and put this in, and it worked great. And I can show you that here in a second, but I just wanted to show you how it comes up on your phone. And it is Wi-Fi, so you can go to the grocery store and get whatever you forgot for your cook and still pay attention to your temperatures at home. All right, guys, so I moved over to my true dumb grill, and I just wanted to show you how easy, again, this is to do. Drop the part. Right in the hole there. Washer. And the wing nut. There you go. It really is that simple. All right, guys, you can now see this is firmly on my other dumb grill here. And we can go ahead and fire it up. You can watch that temperature climb. And there you go, it's starting to climb there. And as you can tell, it is on my phone too. And it's a little bit behind, but not just a few seconds as it goes up. All right, guys, now let's talk about the
ChefsTemp Pro Temp Plus here for a few seconds. This is also a Bluetooth and wireless thermometer. You can set it up to be ambient air. It does that inside here, and you stick this in the meat and to get your internal temps. It is also goes Bluetooth, and I can show you here. Here's that a little closer up. Just go into the app, and you can set up your cook. You can do a custom cook or go to a previous cook that you had already done. Let's just say we're doing some beef today, and you're picking a ribeye, and you wanted that. Let's do 135. Start cook. Now obviously we're not doing a real cook here today. I just got it in my hand here. It's about 32 degrees out here. In my hand it's at 55. Ambient temperature says 37. I don't know if you can see that. And our target temp is set at 135. And here's everything down here as well. Guys, these products are amazing, but I'm not gonna lie. ChefsTemp did reach out to me and ask if I would like to review them. Of course, I said yes. I'd like to review anything barbecue-wise. They are passing my tests, and I do think they are a great product, and I can't wait to smoke my first pork butt or brisket with them. I will use that S1, put it on here so I don't have to come out here and check all temps all the time, or I can just use this and it'll give me the ambient air and the temperature of the meat. Thanks for sticking around, guys, and check out chefstemp.com for more products.